competitions that have taken place in this country. You've had games in Kokrajhar, you've had games in Shillong, you had games in Kolkata, Henry, and that's so good to see that you had a local team that's made its way to the semi-final. And just the colour, the vibrancy in the stadium that is there for all to see.
Isn't that brilliant? It's like a festive over here, waiting for the team to really get onto the pitch and kick off. It's going to be nice to watch them. In fact, I was really give kudos to all India Football Federation and the Rally Cup Committee for bringing this stellar of a performance and taking football to the people, especially, you know, if you come into the northeast of Kokrajhar, get into Kolkata and Shillong. It's so important to get the door order in an ISL team.
In the quarterfinals, they apparently spent close to about the entire budget of watching 90 minutes. Come that 90 minutes, all 11 players on that field have a very good chance of taking that game away from them. And that is what Shillong Lejong have displayed so well in this entire competition. Mayakanan back to Nesta, tries to lay it off for Jithin and Ajare. Frankie Buan knows a thing or two about scoring goals in whichever level of Indian football he's played in.
Notch for Indian football, especially with his free kicks. He's really troubled the defense. He's got the goals required through his free kicks.
Yeah, fast legs. Quickly change your direction. Samte, of course, coming a little late at the time, making that challenge. Getting the first booking of this game. That's going to be an interesting battle throughout the entire 90 minutes. Frankie Buam versus Samte. How does he handle the pressure from that young man? He's banging in the goals as far as the Reliance Youth League is concerned. Now, of course, has made that step up into senior football. And it looks like it's paying dividends for Shillong Lejong. Hardy Nombri, captain, yet again. Puts in a ball, gets the man in front of him, Jithin. Again, first to the ball. The second ball seemed to be winning that first ball. Now going down for a penalty. Referee Crystal John perfectly placed to make that call. And it looks like he spotted a dive. And rightfully brandished the yellow card as well for Ever Bright Sana.
Very clever piece of work here from him. Look at the way he traps that ball in the host of defenders. Nicely controls them. Looks at an opportunity to go between the two. And look at the referee right in front of him with his whistle. Exactly knows what Brighton wants to do. Flashes out the yellow card.
Yes, young man, you're going to have to try a little harder than that to fool the referee. Perfectly placed on that occasion. It's a good call by the referee as well. So straight away within the first 12.
To his credit, so much of confidence in the defense, but unfortunately, nothing could be done by that goal by tuid.
Just a wonderfully worked move. Testimony to what you've seen from Northeast United this entire competition.
The build-up that was simply when we were talking about what Northeast would do against the defense of Shillong Lejong, and this is what they can do. They simply went in with the build-up and lovely exchange, a lot of options up there, and Manikanan was the man, took that ball off the heels and straight into the goal with Toysing not faltering this time. And look at that beautiful back heel over there. Manikanan really going up and putting the ball between the defender and the goalkeeper, and look at the sight from Toysing, simply getting in between 3-4 red shirts and putting the ball in for a goal. Wonderful goal there.
Brilliant goal. Good bit of play.
Players offside of that. They have to be aware of where they're standing, because once you get the ball, there's a lot of space behind the defenders. This man Sana can really do the difference over there.
Your highest goal scorer, putting him on the bench and starting off with someone who's been on the bench throughout this competition.
Sometimes you want to watch players in different situations, and this man has got the ability to really.
Has given so much to this team, has given so much to this region as far as football players are concerned. Likewise for the man in defense, Miguel Zabaco. Likewise for their coach, Juan Pedro Benali. Nothing spells success like consistency, at least from a club's point of view.